Hi everyone, the winter is coming with big steps and flu season with it. If it usually takes you ages to recover from flu, drink the magical mixture a few times and you will be feeling yourself again in no time. To start off, grab a few centimeters of fresh ginger, turmeric and a garlic clove and peel all of them. It's grandma type of recipe, however, there is scientific reason behind the choice of ingredients. Garlic, ginger and turmeric are all well known to boost the function of the immune system as they are anti-inflammatory. Orange juice is naturally high in vitamin C, black pepper is used to activate the curcumin in the turmeric, and cayenne pepper helps with pain relief. Apple cider vinegar kills harmful bacteria, whereas honey is great for soothing sore throats and adds natural sweetness to the drink. Just watch out for turmeric as it leaves out stains, so it's best to wear some gloves if you got some social plans. But yeah, right, you will be busy lying in bed, so don't complain, it will come off. And then just grate them or cut them into smaller pieces. Transfer them to a small container and add some black pepper, salt and cayenne pepper and cover with boiled water. Aim for roughly half of your glass. Stir well and leave it for roughly 2 or 3 minutes. In the meantime, we will make orange juice from 2 oranges. Squeeze it all through and add to your glass. That should leave you with roughly 2/3 of glass of orange juice. If you get less, just squeeze some more. And then just top up the glass with spiced hot water. You can strain it beforehand, however, I usually find that there is no need as garlic, turmeric and ginger tend to stay at the bottom. At the end, add a spoon of apple cider vinegar and teaspoon of honey. The reason why you shouldn't be adding it straight to the hot water is because enzymes in honey and apple cider vinegar are very easily destroyed in heat. Stir everything together and drink up. The temperature should be just fine to drink it right away. It's best to make one immediately whenever you're starting to feel a bit weaker, and then you are less likely to get fully sick. If you are watching it because you're lying in bed ill, I hope you recover soon. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more Mugelicious recipes. See you next Thursday day.